Hi, I'm President Paula Pando, inviting you to Ride Along with Reynolds, a regular update on where the college is heading, who's joining us for the journey, and why it matters for our students and community. Happy New Year and welcome to an exciting 2024 at your community college. As we step into this year, we're reignited with optimism and a steadfast commitment to excellence in education that fuels our community's growth and prosperity. We've started the year on a very high note. The State Council for Higher Education in Virginia recognized our own Professor Carrie Humphrey with the 2024 Outstanding Faculty Award. From 87 statewide nominations, 25 finalists, and 12 exceptional recipients, Professor Humphrey, who leads our American Sign Language and Interpreting Education program, stands out as one of only 2 faculty members from a community college to be recognized. Congratulations, Professor Humphrey. Your work provides a vital channel of communication that enriches interactions and connects communities. Bravo! The new year also means rolling out exciting new initiatives, including our Fire Science Certificate Program. Born from a partnership with regional fire chiefs, this program is designed to support the Richmond region's finest to further their professional development through the National Fire and Emergency Services Higher Education Initiative. Together, we designed a program that is highly customized to fit the demanding schedule of first responders. We look forward to supporting the advancement of the regional fire safety workforce with this innovative, custom-built certificate program. Additionally, Reynolds is unveiling a cutting-edge welding lab at the Parham Road campus. With 14 state-of-the-art bays, including 3 designed for accessibility, we're enabling all aspiring welders to master essential skills. Our dedicated welding faculty and staff have revitalized our curriculum to sync with the competencies and certifications demanded by employers, ensuring our graduates are immediately equipped for high-paying, in-demand roles. In 2024, we turn a new page in Reynolds history, one that's defined by academic enrichment, industry engagement, and learning that empowers. Your community college is alive with creativity and growth. Thank you for joining us on the ride, and I look forward to sharing more next month.